Oh my God. Yo, I know it's not. I know it's not. I know it's not. I swear.
Oh God, I know it's not. I know she ain't out there speaking in tongues. She out there. She's speaking in tongues. Cause he got sprayed with pepper spray.
Y'all got some paper towels.
Oh, go back, go back, go back. I'm sorry, y'all.
Touch right now. Touch right now. Touch right now. Try not to
I'm not laughing
Y'all got some paper
because
towels.
sometimes
Did you get sprayed?
Yeah.
Okay.
you're like, boy, you got sprayed. You be alright.
Back up.
You got this. This is what we trained you for. We don't train you to get a shot. We train you to shoot. If we train you to get sprayed, you good. I know that shit fucked up though. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna say you good because that shit
Do you have any rags?
definitely got him messed
Yeah,
up.
I got a shitload of towels. Let me go. I'll be right back.
He going home. He definitely going home
y'all
for
work
the
there?
day.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, okay. My man got the whole joint. Hey, that's it.
Thank you.
She hit him with the best spray. Yo, his homeboys looking at him like, damn, better you than me, bro.
God, do it.
Yeah.
You gonna get 47 or something?
Y'all need to get him some milk.
I
Y'all
think we got one over here.
get him some milk.
Yeah, we got one.
That
over
water
here.
shit only gonna make it worse. Get him some milk to get the rinse off the original heat.
Oh, that's nasty.
That top layer, and then after that,
Avenger.
you go put the water in there to flush out your eyes. Well, they done got bottles of water.
It was old beat-up tent tag though.
Yeah, then I think that's I said there was one that was at the
Don't
mall
wipe
was
it.
all beat all up and shit.
It was the same one.
Okay.
Sean,
Yeah.
take care of him. I'm gonna go get camera.
Okay.
Bro, did anybody go after them?
Oh.
Like, nobody went after them? I mean,
Okay.
One of them pepper sprayed our sergeant.
Okay.
and he's
I
a
have
sergeant.
a officer here, the one that responded to the call. One of the girls that left when they left here, one of the officers that was on a different call, she pepper sprayed him.